Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to talk about cricket. We live in a country where cricket is like a religion, not just a sport. Cricket is a game which makes Indians happy, excited, proud, and emotional. It's a thread that unites Indians like nothing else in today's world. That's the power of bat and ball. From gully to Delhi, each one of us has played this game at least once in a lifetime. Now we have a hero from Telangana, from our Hyderabad, who has accomplished many records in international cricket. Are you wondering who that very special person is? Yes, it's none other than very special Lakshman. You got it right, it is VVS Lakshman. Vangipura Venkata Sai Lakshman. A great international cricketer who says that we should treat success and failure in the same wavelength. Let's see an exclusive interview with him. How has your journey been in the world of cricket?
I was lucky to play from the under 16 itself, played in the under 19 the same year. I was also fortunate to play for Hyderabad Ranji Trophy at the age of 18.
What are your feelings on your contribution to the Indian cricket?
I feel that all the commitment I put in from the start of my career has helped me to play for our nation for 16 long years. I am immensely satisfied to have contributed to the Indian cricket.
Could you please tell us who influenced your life a lot?
My parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabama, are my greatest influencers.
How did they guide you?
I think the philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure both with equal ease. This has been a guiding mantra in my life.
Could you please tell us what was the difficult phase of your life?
I had the dream to play for my country, but coming from a family of doctors, I had the natural desire to become a doctor. It was a tough choice to choose between the two.
Many a times there were efforts to dwarf your achievements. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements?
So my parents and my family were always the source of inspiration to me. Best part was that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not.
What do you think were the reasons for India becoming the number one side?
It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation. It all actually started in 2000 when Saurav became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav's captaincy. Also, Sachin and MS Dhoni were true performers and had traits of leadership.
Could you throw some light on Saurav's captaincy?
After Saurav became the captain, the combination of Saurav and coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. I think it was then we started doing consistently, especially abroad. We had some amazingly talented individuals with hunger for success. They played with great pride, worked really hard, and showed great commitment levels as well.
An interesting question. The audience would like to know, what are your hobbies?
I love to spend time with my family, and I also love reading biographies of successful individuals.
Who are the cricketers whom you admire?
I admire Azhar. Sachin is a role model in every aspect. I was also inspired by Kapil Dev.
You might have faced a lot of ups and downs in life. Now, what did the sport teach you?
Sport has taught me to treat success and failure on the same wavelength. As I said before, this is the philosophy with which I grew up with. So it has also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously, whatever I am today is because of cricket.
Now, let us see some more interesting aspects of today's guest, Mr. VVS Lakshman. The biggest moment. The biggest moment in his life, in his career, is the 281 against Aussies in Kolkata in 2001. It was the most memorable knock. In fact, it was a most memorable series as well. That was a turning point in Indian cricket. He would feel terribly disgusted whenever he dropped a catch. He would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and the chances flowed. He is a pure vegetarian and he loves to taste all sorts of dishes. Thai cuisines are his favorite. His favorite singers are Kishore Kumar and S.P. Balasubramaniam. He enjoys a personal relationship with S.P. Balasubramaniam. Generally, he does not miss any sporting events. He watches Wimbledon without fail. He enjoys singing and dancing competition programs with his family. To the question, who is your childhood hero? He says, my dad was my childhood hero and current hero as well. He loves to be with his family. He is happy that his wife supports him in all aspects. He has two wonderful kids and happy to see the kids grow up fast. He enjoys being with them. What are your post-retirement plans?
Well, I have a dream to set up a cricket school and an academy to nurture the budding talent. I'm confident of realizing this big dream.
All the best in all your future endeavors. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.